Alright, well I'm back in the same stand I hung yesterday. Hopefully see some deer tonight. It's about a 15-degree temperature drop since yesterday, so hopefully I get some on their feet. Because it's been a while since I've even seen a deer. It's just been dead at this property for the past 5 days. So hopefully you can see something tonight and get a shot at it. That it's only like 3 o'clock. It's over 2 hours still dark, and that doe came out. I'm really surprised she actually came out this early, but got it on the ground. So finally seen some deer. I figured that this cold weather that moved in would get them moving tonight, and then 2 does came out there by themselves, so I decided to take that one there. Well, I'm gonna probably get down here, get her cleaned up, tear this stand down, because I wasn't planning on leaving the stand here at all. I just hung it here because of all the deer sign, and I figured they might come up through here, so plan worked, and I got one down out of this new set I just hung yesterday. So well, here she is. There's a shot. I actually forgot the video when I went up to her. I completely forgot to get the camera out, video her, and I started taking her out, but got her out, all done. Hopefully we can get a buck on the ground now. Second Saturday, the PA rifle season. Back out at my uncle's spot here. I'm super close to the bedding area. A lot of deer that get up during the morning and come out from the bedding area and I'll go back in. So hopefully a buck will do that today and get a shot. Already had 2 deer come through. And they went down back into the bedding area. So hopefully the buck comes back down through, comes out of that bedding area right beside me. Hopefully we can get it done today. Oh, I just shot a buck here. I didn't get him on camera. I can't even believe he came back. So I looked behind me because I thought it was just a squirrel, but I just wanted to check. And he sounded like a squirrel coming. And he caught me moving. I turned my head a little. I looked back behind me. And he saw me, but he wasn't sure what I was. And he turned around and just walked off. Completely opposite way. And then I stood up and was just standing there, and I heard him again coming. And I don't know if it's because I grunted at him a couple times and snort-wheezed at him then, just to try to get him back, or if he smelled my uncle that's sitting up above me and came back down. But he came back down trotting, and I stopped him and got a shot at 15 yards on it. And it looked like a perfect shot, so I'm almost positive he crashed right here in front of me. So hopefully he's down a boat. We can go recover him. It stinks I couldn't get him on camera, but it's so late in the season. I just couldn't pass up the opportunity. I would have never got the camera around on him in time. Because when he was coming in, he was looking at me the whole time. So I barely got drawn back on him. So hopefully he's laying right up here and we can go recover him. There's the arrow. It's covered in blood, so we're gonna go ahead and track him. It's definitely low. Tons of bubbles of blood. Alright, here he is.